are watching Sport Talk with GTZ, General Tata Zonke. Sport Talk, the General's view. GTZ, General Tata Zonke.
Sport Talk with GTZ, a very big day. Ilanga lelikhulu lebesolo sikhuluma ngalo lelanga leli lapho khona iMpumalanga as a province we are blessed njengaloku kune second tournament yeMpumalanga as Primus Cup. Sikanyamazane Stadium angifola amaqembu ladlalako namuhla kunede busy dlala neTS Galaxy nyalo ekseni ngila sikhona sibuka lo mdlalo loyo ngiphethe coach Makhathi ngiphethe coach Mshika uyawuva nalomsindo le vibe iyakhomba ukuthi there's something the important. Coach, a very good morning.
Good morning, GTZ, Nagumshika and to the viewers. We are in for a big day. Kanyamazane Stadium, bigger to the Premier of Mpumalanga, Mandla Ndlovu, for giving the 4 teams like elite football to give them a platform to have a pre-season game. These games are very important for coaches because just like on Thursday, we saw Galaxy revealing new signings. So this kind of game, they give a coach an opportunity to give these new players a run to see if they can fit to the game and the knowledge of the team. And also to the piece, they have a new coach. So it's a good platform for him to try and introduce how he wants to play and see how the season goes about.
A shout out to the Premier of the province, Mandla Ndlovu nguye lo wende show ukuthi namuhla siyahlangana siyi province sibuka temidlalo. Coach Mshika, as a coach kubaleke kangakanani kuthatha ema tournament lafana nalawa abaleke kakhulu especially mangabe uqala pre-season training?
Morning to the viewers at home. GTZ, it's not about football only, it's about the upliftment of economy around Kanyamazane. And this type of tournaments, they do set a tone of what is going to happen. It's a precursor of what you expect in the new season. And we are very much excited to be part of this tournament.
How do you approach a game like this, coach? You have players, lebe basolo bakhona, then you have new players, obviously mhlawumbe uthi ngamaviki lang 7 a proper pre-season. How do you approach this game? Do you go with lamajita lobo solunawo or you just mix with the new players and with the old players?
I think in my view the best way to approach this game is to maybe, if let's say you're at Galaxy or at a piece coach, go with 70% of your tried and tested players. Why? So that it can give you an advantage to go to the final. When now in the final you can try and give more players a run, because it's not about winning, but it's just about giving the pre-rehearsal in terms of how the season is going to look like. But if you're going to go in the first game and bring in 9 new players, it might be a disadvantage to a team and not go and advance to finals. But if you can go with at least 70-80% of your core team, then it gives you another 90 minutes in the final, whereby now you can explore and give new players a run. Even if you lose or win, it doesn't matter. The most important thing, do they fit to the game model of the team? So this preseason tournament is all about that, giving players an opportunity and also giving a coach a view of the new players that they have signed in.
Coach, ipressure itoba tuweltembu ele TS Galaxy ngoba lidlala kuphethwe iPremiership, lidlala nelicembu lidlala ngaphansi koMotsipe Foundation. So ipressure iku TS Galaxy, itolo ianvele badlali plus minus 14 players, new players. Maui TS Galaxy, ufika Kanyamazane Stadium, udlala kuphethwe iPremiership. How do you tackle such game?
Look, I think it's more about testing systems. More than trying to grind results. Sure. The team, I think they'll make a big mistake if they come here with a mentality of grinding a results. It's about just trying to give us a picture of what might happen in the upcoming season. So the approach will be simple. Let's show you what is it that we have, what is it that you can expect, and then we'll take it from there.
We'll take it from there. Usho njalo Mshika, Sikanyamazane Stadium ngumdlalo wekuqala ngaphansi kweMpumalanga Primus Cup. Sport Talk with GTZ so besiniketa iyonke le coverage lofuna kuyithola yobe uyithola kuleli page lethu. Remember, we are subscribe Sport Talk with GTZ. Stay tuned. Now amathima yangena macha. Score prediction?
Tough one because we haven't seen much. But I want to see games with goals. So I think 2-1 to TS Galaxy.
2-1 to TS Galaxy. Sport prediction?
Surprise the Bees.
Surprise the Bees is winning this one.
Be cautious. TS Galaxy will be cautious.
Atango, Sport Talk with GTZ. Siyabuya, siyakhabula. Kanyamazane Stadium. Kanyamazane Stadium Mpumalanga Premier's Cup edition number 2 ngine spokesperson se Department of Culture, Sports and Recreation in Mpumalanga uMama Sibongile. Mama Sibongile naba abantu baphumile naba labanye bayangena abantu emaqembu ayakhombisa kubaleka kwale tournament. Ungathini make so far ekseni umdlalo weqala phakathi kwe-The Bees lidlala iqembu le-TS Galaxy?
Thina nje njengomnyango sibambisene ne-department yaka-education sijabulela lelanga ukuthi ligcine lifikile. Bekunzima ku-prepare, so we are excited that today we are here and we see people are coming in and we know that by this afternoon the stadium will be full, so whoever is not here must come through. So we are very excited, and we are excited by the fact that we are promoting the sport. This is about sport because we've got netball, we've got school sports that are playing soccer and netball at under 16. Then we've got the professional teams this afternoon, and you can see they've started the semi-finals. So sizobona ukuthi yiphi ezothatha indebe yanamuhla. As you can see, the trophy is there now waiting for the winner to receive it, and the honorable premier is here, and the other MECs will be here also.
In less than a minute Mama Sibongile bekubaleke kangakanani ukuthi le Premier's Cup edition ya this year ifake phakathi tikolo?
Ukuthuthukisa itikolo kufuneka bathini ngesintu bathi ligotshwa lisesemanje. So sisaligoba manje lisesemanje ukuthi bende isport at the age lebe kuyo manje, so that nabo futhi bathi look up kulaba labadlala kulabakhulu ukuthi nathi ngelinye ilanga sifuna ukuba nje, sifuna ukuthola abanye nathi abantu ba ku national babe na international, so ikakhulukhulu si developer isport at that level.
Umama Sibongile uvela ka Department of Culture, Sports and Recreation lapha esifundeni sethu saseMpumalanga. Umvile mbukele we Sport Talk with GTZ uthi lokubaleke kakhulu ukuthi aligotsho lisasemandi from a grassroots level. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi abantu abesikole namuhla batawubuka laba ba idole ukuthi kusasa bafisa kufana nabo njengaloku le Premier's Cup lena ushilo na Premier ngalesikhathi ayilontsha wathi lokubaleke kakhulu ukuthi laba bantwana labancane bakhona kubona bobhutwabo baphakeme kuze nabo batoba neshisakalo nesifiso sekuthi bakhona kufika la sikhona khona. Make Sibongile asibonge kakhulu.
Siyabonga.
Thank you. Sport Talk with GTZ siqhamuka live Kanyamazane Stadium. Score update TS Galaxy 1 The Bees 0. Danko. Kanyamazane Premier's Cup 2026 the second edition umdlalo weqala done and dusted uphelile. TS Galaxy 2 The Bees 0. Next to me I'm with the head coach of TS Galaxy, Mr. Bernard Dewan Parker. Coach, thought about the game with the new squad, what can you say?
Thanks GTZ, my brother. It was a good performance overall in terms of where we are at the moment. I'm saying where we are at the moment, I mean in terms of pre-season or physical preparation.
Yes.
So far so good, we're happy. I feel like throughout the game, the intensity that we can give longer periods throughout the game. There were glimpses there in terms of intensity. I feel like we could give more intensity to put on the opponent under pressure. As the game goes on, also we got a lot of set plays. We've got height, we've got strength. We lacked a little bit of aggression in terms of making sure that we let the set piece count. A short set piece came in the first half where we caught them off guard and our goal came. And then also in the second half, we also got set pieces again. We didn't make it count. And then our second goal came from second phase of play as well. So that is something that we need to look at. That it is something that can work for us in terms of our quick play or a switch off play.
Yes.
That can work for us. Either all in all, I'm very happy overall with the squad, overall with the performance of the guys. And let's see how it goes in the final.
Yeah, let's see how it goes in the final. Coach, thank you so much and wish you all the best. Let's see you on the final.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you. TS Galaxy coach Bernard Parker ngekusho kwakhe uthi kunyendi lesekumele basebenzele kuko kodwa ke there is nothing longakusho with the young squad like etanaso. You can see the hard work that is putting to the boys. Remember ukuthi yesterday ba unveil abadlali labangu 14. So Kanyamazane Stadium ifinally iyodlalwa iqembu le TS Galaxy bamele lotawina phakathi kwelicembu le Kruger United nelicembu le Castrick Stars. Sport Talk with GTZ. Danko. It's over Kanyamazane Stadium. TS Galaxy 2 The Bees 0. Ngaphansi koMpumalanga Premier's Cup 2026. The game is over. Done and dusted. Mshika, your thoughts about the game?
That was a good exhibition of football, but it's also important to give credit to people of Kanyamazan. They came in numbers and other points of province.
Yes.
But coming back to the game, not much of surprises. I mean, TX, obvious. I mean, those are seniors. They're playing the PSL, playing against the Bees that survived the relegations. But the Bees gave their all. I'm not surprised with the score. It could have been 5 or something, but at least 2-0. It's not a bad margin. But TS Galaxy, I mean, if what we saw today is anything to go by, we've got a good team to look up to. One thing that is good about them, they are good at ethnic talents. We saw just number 37. What a Marvel boy to watch. I don't know his name, but he's a good boy. So they tell you they've got something up their sleeves.
TS Galaxy Makati, they are advancing to the finale, your Premier's Cup 2026. Your thoughts, what can you say about the TS Galaxy that we saw playing Litembu and the Bees?
Yeah, great game. I think one thing that I was looking forward to is to see the brain from Coach Bernard Parker, to see how he wants to introduce a playing philosophy. But you can see that he wants to be a ball-orientated team, like Mshiga has alluded. Number 37 in the middle of the park, of what a talent. He reminds me of the Thandwesi Khuboni, educated left footer. He's a football brainer. He detects the tempo of the game. If he wants to change direction, he do it with that ease and interchange of position from right to left. But overall, I think Galaxy did much better. First half, the game was a little bit too slow, but second half, I think it was better. But again, what I've observed, the subs that they've done, Galaxy second half, I think it lowered their fluidity a little bit, and the introduction of Kabela from the Bees, it gave them some boost in the middle of the park.
They were alive.
We saw them now making some entries at the box. But again, towards the last 10-15 minutes again, Galaxy, they were on top of them, coming in at them. So I think we're going to have a very good team in TS Galaxy in the new season. And kudos to Coach Bernard Parker, introducing young boy players to the new team, and you can see that they are gelling well with the senior players. So great game overall.
Mshiga, going forward, Litembu and the Bees, yebo kusane msebenzi lomnyendo lofuna wendiwe kulela qembu, yini lokuphikile lokufuna umqeqeshi avele akubambe agijime nabo?
Today he was trying his systems. I saw him throwing in just 10, Mapena.
Yes.
In my view, Mapena was supposed to be deployed as a point of reference, as a big man. But he deployed him just behind the strikers. He did not do bad, but he could have done better had he been deployed in that top 10 position. So remember, pre-seasons are there to test systems. And from what we saw today, it was not really that bad for the Bees.
What we saw today, according to Mshiga, was not really bad for the Bees. Umdlalo lolandzelako uphakathi kweKruger United up against Castrick Mpumalanga Premier's Cup 2026. Sikanyamazane, uyabona nawe isupport ukuthi is beautiful kangakanani. Phumile enhlamvu yelanga yawuthi kushaya 3 o'clock siyobe silinzele efinal. Lekulinzeleke ukuthi ibe nemandla madoda. Asithatheni likhefu, masibuya stop nje shwi. Sibuye ukuthi Sport Talk with GTZ Kanyamazane Stadium Mpumalanga Premier's Cup 2026 second edition. Baphumile bandvu liyashisa langa kodwa ke the attendance, it's wow. So next to me, the chairman of TS Galaxy. First thing first, chairman, congratulations.
No, siyabonga baba, siyabonga.
Asikhulume ngalo bekwendeka itolo, chairman, wa unveil abadlali 14 players. Take us through that.
Yeah, itolo bekulanga le special ku TS Galaxy, ilanga likhethwe nguNkulunkulu. Ngani ngoba phela usinike lithuba nje lokuthi sibe nenkonzo njengoba ngikhulumile ukuthi kulonyaka sithethe guidance yokomoya ukuthi ku-unveil kwabadlali kwethu sikwende in a church service la kuhlangene khona abafundisi emabandla nemabandla ngokwahlukahlukana kwawo bede batothandazela licembu bathandazela isizini lentsha ne-team ke ya-unveil abadlali labasha labayi-14 ngicabanga ukuthi abanye babo babonile la kuyangani-ke ukuthi imbono wenu ume njani nitibonele majaha. Yeah, so ke bokulanga libusise kakhulu and yeah, we quite happy ukuthi sitikhanze sila.
Bekulanga lelibusiseke kakhulu chairman. Uthe itolo ma unveil abadlali abangu-14 mangena ku social media yelicembu le TS Galaxy 80% webandvu lebe bakhomenta lapha kule Facebook ye TS Galaxy bebathi in the next 2 to 3 season labadlali laba ngendeka babonakala in one of the biggest team la khona la kuphethwe iPremiership. Yini secret yakho chairman? It seems as if it's a trend ukuthi ulanza the unknown players, it end up being known in South Africa.
Yeah, no, ngihlala ngisho ngithi akusingimi liso la uNkulunkulu. Thina we guided, by the Holy Spirit emsebenzini wethu lesondawo. Ngiyo lesiguidayo lesibonisayo ngisho nalabadlala cannot take credit. Liso la uNkulunkulu ngamasibili. We're just doing what we can, but then we know that we are obligated to South African football. We have to raise the standard of the game by unleashing talent year in, year out, season in, season out, and of course in between we are carrying out God's mandate. What he wants from us is to give a livelihood to his children, through the talent that is afforded to them. So we're just doing just that.
Mhlambe lomunye lobukela Sport Talk with GTZ utawuthi why ungakambutanga chairman lombuto asasekhona yini emathuba ukuthi sibone labanye badlali longahle uba unveil futhi.
Yeah, it was unveil 14. I think now la mhlambe ubone I think 8 if I'm not mistaken new faces. So we are 6 new faces to go.
New faces to go.
Yes. Sengisho la kule Mpumalanga Premiers Cup. But of course, I cannot say we are done. Talented, but I don't know who's gonna come. What if Lionel Messi decides to relocate to South Africa?
Yes.
Who am I? If maybe TS Galaxy bangile club, la ngayithanza kuyidlalela.
Ngumphathi weqembu le-TS Galaxy president abengichairman Mr. Tim Swazi ushilo ukuthi kulabo labalandzela iqembu le-TS Galaxy akhona amathuba kulabo labangu-14 labathule itolo njengaloku uneliso lokubuka abadlali shilo wathi hey kwathi bani mhlambe lo Messi lo retire to FIFA World Cup yango-2026 singathi simbone agijima weqembu le-TS Galaxy. Mr. Tim asibonge isikhathi sakho mnakethu. Thank you. Sikanyamazane Stadium sikhuluma ngemphathi weqembu le-TS Galaxy ku Sport Talk with GTZ la sikhona masibuya sibuka umdlalo weKruger United idlala neCastrick Stars njengaloku babona ke nabo referee bayatilungiselela. Danko. Alright, Kanyamazane Stadium, next to me ngina coach weqembu Let the Bees umnumzane Duncan Lechisa. Coach, unfortunately not the results you would love ukuthi team yakho iphume now. What can you say about the game overall, the first 45 minutes and also the last stanza of the 45 minutes?
Look, you are right, not the results that we're looking, but the bigger picture is our preparation for the season, and what new players can do and the structure. And I'm happy with that. New players, they came in, they tried their best, the combination, and it's like this team, it has been there for a month. It's only 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I've seen this team. So the more we train together, the right combination will get it right. But so far, so happy.
So far, so good. Yes, coach, I've seen some few changes with the introduction of Umkabela. He came in, he's solid number 6. He destroyed Mbunjane at some stage. They have to chew Mbunjane out. For going forward in the remaining weeks, which is the main factor that you will love your team to improve on?
Well, one is the goal that we conceded. In our league, a lot of goals are scored from crosses and set plays. So that's the area is giving us a homework to work on that. And in terms of the finishing, I think we could have scored 3 goals in the second half, but we have missed. So those are the areas that we need to work on, and the right combination, when you go. But in the next 2 weeks, I think our team will be ready.
Duncan Lechesa, coach, wish you all the best going forward in the upcoming season of the Motsepe Foundation Championship 2026-2027.
Thank you very much and God bless you.
Thank you. Besikhuluma nemqeqeshi weqembu le-Bees umnumzane Duncan Lechisa uyakutshela mlaleli ukuthi kule goli lebalconsidile elia on nge-first half ngilamagoli la critical ngilamagoli vele la gena kule league labadlala kuyo uthi ke batakulungisa is not into lengathi ayilungiseki kodwa ke iyalungiseka. Sport Talk with GTZ coming live at Kanyamazane Stadium, Mpumalanga Premiers Cup 2026, the General's View. Game number 2 ngaphansi kwaMpumalanga Premiers Cup Kanyamazane Stadium. Pelile mdlalo ewekuqala Kruger United. You can see behind me their goalkeepers department. They are busy with the warm-up. Far side on my left, Kruger United warm-upping that side. Castrick Stars, they are busy with their warm-up. We are entering game number 2, Mpumalanga Premiers Cup 2026. So excited. We are here to bukela, to watch Mpona Letinyawo. I started our legend, Kruger United, next to your left hand. What can we expect as a coach? This is a team that have just got promoted to the Betway Premiership. Lord is expected kule team lelamva kwakho.
Thanks very much, TTZ. Let's take this opportunity. He can survive Ivalekaya, Kruger United, and host mean.
Yeah.
But coming back to the game and the tournament, a lot is expected from them. They've just gained promotion to the Elite League. They're playing against Kasrik, who have also done well to be where they are today. They've also done well. So it's a game of two teams that have done well during their stint in the NFD, and we just need to sit and watch the humding of a game.
Just to sit and watch the humding of your game. Far right there at the corner, Coach Makati. Kasrik Stars, what can we expect from this side? This is the side from the Motsepe Foundation Championship. Almost got promoted, almost went to play the final of the Nedbank Cup 2026.
Yeah, great game that we're expecting. Remember, Kasrik Stars, they almost hindered the progression here Kruger for PSL. They hammered them 4-0. I think the third game of the season. So I think Kruger will want to try and revenge themselves. But I think for a great spectacle of the tournament, it will be proper if Kruger were to advance to the finals and have two PSL teams from Mpumalanga, which is Galaxy and Kruger United. But we're expecting a very interesting game. I don't think it will be that of a friend like what we have seen in the previous match, because these two teams, they've played each other in the Motsepe Foundation. So there's a lot of pressure to prove on both sides.
The last time these two teams ahlangana, Kasrik Stars yaphumelela nga 4-1 ihlula iqembu leKruger United. Uthi Makhathi Mshika bekungaba kahle ngesifiso sakhe ukuthi kuphumelele liqembu leKruger United kuma final sibe neKruger United neTS Galaxy baqale kuvala amandla nganyalo kusase.
Wishes are not horses. We can wish and pray that the two sides meet, but undermine Kasrik at your own peril. They gave Kruger United a run for their money when they were playing in the NFD. So I won't be surprised if maybe they advance to the final.
You won't be surprised if by advice iqembu leKruger lelisemva kwethu liqembu leKruger United yebo labaningi balinzele kubuka the signings labeta nawo tuko Betway Premiership maseta ngalana soka ubone mzimba will be that person mzimba loniketa iKruger a new dimension, the style of play.
I think so, because one thing that he brings in, every throw in on the right hand side becomes a set piece. So that's one of his attributes. I think he's going to bring that stability in terms of posing threat with aerial presence with his long throws into the 18-area box. But again, I agree with what Mshika have said. It's not going to be an easy game. There's no way you're going to undermine Kasrik. They've beaten Paris on Nedbank Cup.
Yes.
The coach has been with them for the longest time possible.
Yes.
So we're in for a very, very interesting game. But again, I'm putting my money on Kruger United to advance to the finals.
Sasamba Mshika putting his money to Kruger United to advance to the final. What's your take and what's your score prediction?
Kasrik.
You always against Makhathi. Mpumalanga's Premier's Cup 2026. You are coming live and directly at Kanyamazane Stadium. I don't know why they are always fighting. When someone is saying this one is winning, I know Mshika will oppose with Makhathi. When Mshika is saying this, I know Makhathi will oppose with Mshika. That's the beauty of Sport Talk with TTZ. Danko. Kanyamazane Stadium ngilasikhona khona solo lithandvo lalendvo yeMpumalanga's Premier's Cup. Iqembu leKasrik Stars lidlala neKruger United liyanqonqotha. Iqembu leKasrik Stars liyanqonqotha liphonye ipenalty. Iqembu leKasrik Stars score kusase ngu-0-0. Mangithi liyanqonqotha, this is not a true reflection of the game. I can tell you now, it's not a true reflection of the game. Ngabe iKasrik ihamba phambili, but unfortunately the score is 0-0. Your take, your reaction for the first half?
Exactly what we expected. I'm very happy with the intensity. They're playing with the right tempo, both teams. But I think Casric Stars, they're a better team. First half, they did everything very well defensively, well organized in terms of rotation of the ball. Their captain in the middle of the park is doing everything marvelous. But for me, I think the negative that I can take from Kruger, they've dismantled the middle fielder that we know. Your Nell is not there. Young Gamer is not there, your Makubela is not there. I think the absence of this trio in the middle field of Kruger, that's what's making them not to tick, not to have cohesion in their build-up phase and their attack. But credit must go to Casric. They've done pretty much well. They deserve to go to halftime 2-0 or 3-0.
Casric bedeserve ngabe iyalida Mshika. Unfortunately, ibhola injalo. Shout out to and a good save from goalkeeper Weltembu and Kruger United. That's penalty Laibambile. It was superb and marvelous. Your reaction for the first half?
Let me be careful not to say I'm surprised that it's not. Because when I say so, one might think I'm saying that Kruger have not been doing well. Let me just say there's a lot to come in the second half. Let's look and take appreciation from the tactical application of Casric. They don't give too much respect to Kruger United. They don't even care or think who Kruger United are or is. They play themselves, personal application, tactical application. They were even rewarded a penalty thanks to their performance. But now we are in the second half. I hope Kruger have taken note of what transpired in the first half, and it's just a matter of 5 minutes before we see what is it that they were thinking.
You spoke about Nelly, you spoke about Makubela and Nsako, you spoke about Ngema. All of them basegroundini ubafakile umceceshi wena masuper sub Ntswari lokucatha kubolekiswa leqembu la Kaizer Chiefs ungenile sibiya kuleya defense leqembu le Kruger United ungenile sekuba ngile Kruger United lobo khuluma ngayo ake sibone ukuthi kwenakalani why kufuna abalethe nyalo ngumdlalo la ubuke khona ukuthi ufuna athathe ama point noma athathe iwinner udlala neTS Galaxy.
Yeah, I think good substitution. Even their right back, P-Boy, is in Sidat and the left back. Now you can see the fluidity and the cohesion in the team. I think Casric Stars now are going to start to play the football that we know, and I think they're going to take it second half.
Bacale ngema-trials beleqembu le-Kruger United Mshika sebaletha labadlali laba kutophisa le team yaya ku-Betway Premiership njengemceceshi. You are surprised ukuthi usheshe wawenda lama changes?
Look, he did them at the right time. I mean, he was under siege, tactical under siege. For sure. Pressure was mounting. They kept on exerting pressure. And even the second half, expect Casric to come gonzo at Kruger. There's a lot to be done in this game. And just like I said earlier on, undermine Casric at your own peril. This game might even go to extra time, or even with Casric stealing it at the end.
Sport Talk with GTZ ngumdlalo lesibukako nemajayimbuthwa ngumshika ngimakhathi sibuka liqembu le Kruger United lidlala nelicembu le Casric Stars. Score kusase 0-0 yiMpumalanga Premier's Cup edition ya 2026, second edition lena sikanyamazane Stadium. Danko. Uphelile umdlalo kaNyamazane Stadium, game number 2 Premier's Cup Mpumalanga Premier's Cup 2026. iKruger United ya advancer yodlala ema-final nelicembu leTS Galaxy. Le Berkeley icala namuhla khumbule ukuthi baya ku-Betway Premiership bobabili lokusho ukuthi bayothi badlala ku-Betway Premiership bayobe sebavene emandla. Asiqale ngawe ehlulekile iCasric. Ungathini Mshika uthi iCasric yophumelela ku-analyst ye second half?
Casric did very well under the circumstances. They've proven to be a team to be reckoned with, but credit should also has to go to Kruger United. Their game management was superb. They coped. What I saw here, the heat condition was somehow getting the better of Casric. They were battling with the heat, and Kruger United, they capitalized on that. They started throwing in players that were checking them on speed and pace, knowing very well that maybe those guys, they could not cope with the speed, considering that maybe the temperature had risen up or had gone up. But then, having said that, we are looking forward to Kruger United. It looks like they are going to have a great season. I hope everything stays intact, not much of changes that are necessary, and they stay as they are, and then the whole of the province will rally behind the team. They seem to be on the right track.
Sikhuluma ngeKruger United Makhathi, you did mention ukuthi umqeqeshi agende some few changes. By look of things, second half uqhubeke ngecontinuity of players lebengabasebenzisa kuMotsipe Foundation Championship. Ndlovu kuba nguye loba ku scoring na last season ube top goal scorer yeqembu leKruger. Namhla kuba nguye lo shaya goal. What can you say?
Yeah, I think I did mention at halftime on our analysis to say I didn't see cohesion in midfield in terms of the players that Kruger put on the first lineup, but they were giving new players a chance. I think introduction of Nel in the middle of the park as a deep six, having Tseko, Makubela and Ngema gave them a little bit of balance in the middle of the park, and also introduction of the top goal scorer from last season. With firepower in terms of explosion with speed on the attack, gave Kruger the self-belief that they can do much better. And also on their build-up schemes, I think Guba Konagwa on the second team gave them a little bit of proper build-up schemes because he's comfortable on the ball. He can draw pressing players and then can try and find the next line with a very good pass. And I think that's what was working for Kruger. Congratulations to Kruger, and I did say that I wish the final could be between Galaxy and Kruger. We have it in Mpumalanga.
Finally, Mpumalanga's Premier's Cup 2026, TS Galaxy up against Kruger United. I was sitting there. I was sitting next to one of Castric member, or should I say someone Lolanzela Castric. Ukhulume ngenolenye lengipikile uthe the first team Castric agabi the second team. With the changes, ibese dropa momentum Castric. What can you say?
Look, tactical changes will always bring tactical impact.
Yes.
In each and every tactical action, expect a tactical reaction. So what happened is we saw the coach trying to change the way and the pattern of how he started from the first half. And he was also detected by the tactical circumstances of Krug. They were solid, and he had to change and do something. Unfortunately, it could not go to his way. But we cannot sit here and say the coach should have done this and work on the permutations. This is a game of football. The results, it's there, and we need to accept it.
The fact ukuthi i-pre-season obviously kufuna change abuke ama combination ukuthi amsebenzela kanjani. Ma uKruger United Makhathi udlala neqembu le-TS Galaxy. What do you do? Ma uncoach Abraham, do you bring your best 11 or uyaqhubeka you put ama trialists together with lana ama player bekakhona last season?
I think now they are going for the final. If I'm coach Abraham, I'm gonna put my best team forward because now I think it's time for the final to give these good people, the fans, good brand of football. So I'm not expecting to put trialists or new players. They must bring their core team, even if they are new players, but it must be players that they believe that coming into the new season they're gonna be maybe playing 80% of their games. That's what you wanna see. It's gonna be a very good game to see how Kruger is gonna bring their lineup, and also how Galaxy is gonna bring their lineup. But like Mshiga has said, I think credits must go to a technical team of Kruger. It was a game of two halves, but again, I think that save first half from the goalkeeper, the penalty was a turning point of the match in terms of second half.
Sithatha ibreak imbukeli weSport Talk uGTZ nyalo kuniketwa iprize giving yetikolo akhumbule ukuthi le Premier's Cup ya this year yango 2026 beyihlanganisa tikola hlanganisa iNetball yahlanganisa neSoccer. So now the Premier yase province eMpumalanga uMr Mandla Ndlovu khona la eKanyamazane Stadium utawuhanda over ukhumbule ukuthi nalesinye isikolo asitawuthola imoto yakanokusho le sponsorishwa iToyota. So stay tuned for Sport Talk ubuke lama awards ukuthi amanjani. Masibuya sibuka umdlalo we-final TS Galaxy up against Kruger United eKanyamazane Stadium. Asambeni siyodonsa amandi mina ngivile bokhala ngendlala. Siyawubambana mna. Kanyamazane Stadium, yes indeed. Besishilo umbukeli weSport Talk with GTZ ukuthi namuhla siKanyamazane Stadium. Nawe mangabe ungilomunye sikujobela sithombe sale Mpumalanga Premier's Cup edition number 2 sesiku final. Akhulumile amaJayimbuthi, akhulumile Mshika, wakhuluma Makhathi benda lama predictions. Kodwa ke nyalo ekugcineni kwakhona ama team lawa layobe adlala ku Betway Premiership ayoqala sibingelelane namuhla singathi ukuthi ke ngiliphi leliyoba bo champagne kuwo lo mdlalo wanamuhla Premier's Cup finally TS Galaxy up against Kruger United.
Great final, great day, big event. Again, shout out to the Honorary Premier of Mpumalanga Province and again the MEC of Culture Sports. I think they've given the people of Mpumalanga a great day of sports. We've just seen the rewards from schools and the community, which is very good. And now coming back to the final between TS Galaxy and Kruger, I think it gives them a mirror in terms of what to expect ahead of the Betway Premiership, and also it prepares both coaches from both teams to see what to expect from each other when they come to play for 3 points in the league. But for the final, I think we are in for a spectacular one. But I'm a little bit concerned when I was looking at Kruger warm up with their warm up. They have about 4 or 5 new players, which is a concern. You are playing a final and you are bringing 5 new players. Combination at the back, there's a new centre back, there's a new left back, and a new right back again. It's a concern for me. But let us wait. I'm sure Coach Abraham knows what he's doing. Let us wait and see.
Let us wait and see, Mshiga. TS Galaxy itakulo mdlalo lona with new players. 14 players were unveiled yesterday. They are playing against a team letoba ma opponents abo come 2026 2027 Betway Premiership.
GTZ, I said earlier on that this team, especially TS Galaxy, they will deploy a cautious approach. They don't want to reveal much. They want to surprise people here. Then they do changes, knowing very well that come their first match of the season, they will pull a rat out of the hat. And then as for Kruger United, those are the new bees in the PSL setup. And I believe and trust that their preparations are going well. And I wish them all the best. We should not reach too much on what has transpired today. It's a pre-season. They did well. I'm not saying they did not do well. They did well. But we should not be carried away in thinking they'll be a force to be reckoned with. They are newbies and they should be given the necessary support and courage they deserve.
Obviously, umqeqeshi weKruger Makati lakaTokwenda is changing of the goalkeepers. Nantwari he has the goalkeeper lebasolo hamba naye isizini isaqala. It will help him nguva ukhala mhlawumbe ngema tactical substitute la wendako. Yebo i-pre-season yofuna kwathi ukuthi ema combination 1 2 3 ayamsebenzela yini.
Yeah, I think they have good depth in terms of goalkeepers. They've also signed the second best goalkeeper from Siwelele and Tuara again from Chiefs. I think in terms of that department, I think they are sorted. It's a concern that I'm raising, but I think if the game can go the way it did when they played against Castrick, they might still its second half with the right substitutions, bring in maybe they tried and tested. But again, I think if I'm looking at how the game have gone between Galaxy and Kruger, I think Kruger might be the champions of 2026 Premier's Cup.
According to Makati, Kruger might be the champions of the 2026 Premier's Cup. What's your take?
Let me tell you now, between the two teams, there will never be a friendly match for reasons we know, and for reasons we might not divulge to the public. It's going to be a cracker. They will go all out. They will go goals at each other. May the best team win.
May the best team win. Isikanyamazane Stadium mlaleli Mpumalanga Premier's Cup edition yango 2026 besikwendela le build up yale final. When we return siyabuya ku second half. Sithi kancane. Danko. What a game, Kanyamazane Stadium. What a final, Kanyamazane Stadium. 2 Betway Premiership teams, basiniketa the best of football. Yalida TS Galaxy 1-0, but I can tell you, my colleagues can agree with me, Mshiga can agree, Coach Makati can agree. What a game.
Yeah, great game. I think that's what the final deserves. I think they're giving even the supporters something to watch. But again, credit to TS Galaxy. They are coming guns blazing to Kruger. Mahlambi on the left-hand side, very explosive, very aggressive in their attack. But I think if Kruger, they want to get something out of this game, they need to pick up their socks. I don't think they've arrived off pitch into the first half. They were nowhere to be seen for me. As much as I vouch for them to win this tournament, but first half, very disappointing for me.
A very disappointing first half, according to Coach McCarthy. What you say?
That's a pity part of football, where you think others are not coming to the party, whereas the contrary say the other team is doing far much better than the opponent. But having said that, we approaching second half. There'll be a lot of changes that need to be done. Kruger has to step up the plate, and TS Galaxy, obvious, they don't have the appetite to let it slip through their fingers.
We are talking about the beauty of Kanyamazane Stadium. Dr. Malinga ubaniketa that performance abayifunako balaleli noma babukeli bolibhola letinyawo. Ungumqeqeshi weKruger United. Yes, Bonel, you have your so-called structure lobosebenzisa la season. Ubonakele first game abafaka bayichinja i-dimension of the game. What do? Do you bring them in, or you also say it's fine, it's a pre-season game, nothing to be lose?
I think if you want to give these people a good football, immediately make those changes. You bring Neil inside, you bring Gamma, you bring Taco inside. Even though the top goal scorer from last season, I think it's gonna give them something better. And even Zwane on the right hand side in terms of speed, I think that can give them a chance to push this game to extra time or penalties. Because if they're gonna come the way they did first half, I think just guys are gonna take it. But I still believe if you're gonna make these changes now, something can give in, most definitely.
Yini lofuna kwenziwe ngumqeqeshi Bernard Parker to make sure ukuthi akayiluze le game le njengalokunyalo ufake inyawo linye phambili ukuthi ngenteka abe ngema champions ale tournament iMpumalanga Premiers Cup 2026.
I think he has to stick to what worked for him first half and maybe catch Kruger on breaks. Sometimes in football there are moments where we need to go a little bit silent as if you're not in the game, and when they least expect you come up and shock them. That's part of game management. Not much of tactical changes that he has to do. The energies of his boys, it's still at the peak. He can still go another 30 minutes without even effecting changes. So far, so good for Bernard Parker.
TS Galaxy 1, Kruger United 0. This is the beauty of Kanyamazane Stadium. You can check behind myself. TS Galaxy cheerleaders, Bana Dr. Malinga, they are doing what is so beautiful. I'm talking about the crowd that they came in numbers to witness this beautiful tournament, Mpumalanga's Premiers Cup 2026. You can check the crowd. When I go and check the crowd behind me, you can see the crowd behind me. It's so excited. Kanyamazane Stadium, it's happening here. Sport Talk with GTZ. Maspira Saivala. Kunjalo, it's a general's view. Tanko. Okay, iphelile. I-Premiers Cup Mpumalanga Premiers Cup 2026 besishilo sathi senda le coverage yalapha Kanyamazane. On my right benginamshika, on my left ngina Coach McCarthy. Kukuthatha ngikubisele emuva 2 years ago Premiers Cup yawina iqembu le TS Galaxy ihlula iqembu lase German. Namuhla bayabuya after 2 years bahlula iqembu le Kruger United. Final score 3. Iqembu le Kruger kuba ngu1 phelile. Lendo, done and dusted. What can you say, Mshika? What a game of football. We did mention in the second half, Gutsi, we are here to watch football. Yes, indeed, football.
Yeah, evening, viewers at home. What a game we witnessed today. It looks like TX Galaxy are not willing to relent or to let it slip and give it to another team. They did so 2 years ago, and they are coming back today to defend it. But credit should also go to Kruger. Remember, they've just regained promotion. They did not have much time to do or to have proper preparations. So that, I'm not saying that to undermine the effort or how TS Galaxy played, but I think it's high time we look football with a balanced perspective.
Uthi Mshika will look football with a balanced perspective. Angeke wathi icinzetela mawungumcoach weqembu leKruger United i-pre-season kodwa ke le pre-season kukhona lofuneka ukuthathe lokuhle nalokubi lokusebenzela.
Yeah, so many positives that they can take. I think they were trying to find combinations. They have so many new players which are trying to introduce to adapt to their game methodology. But I think it was a very good day. We've been here since morning, since 9 o'clock up until now. The people of Mpumalanga, people of Mbombela, Kanyamazane, they have witnessed a great spectacular of showcasing football from all 4 teams of Mpumalanga. Congratulations to Galaxy. I think they did very well. I think they've shown that they're the big boys, that they've been into the top flight football for many years. Because you could see the maturity in the game. They went to halftime leading 1-0. I think second half at halftime, I did mention that they just did that second goal. And you could see that they knew that Kruger was going to come chasing the game. They just managed the game very well. They knew that they just needed 1 goal to secure the game. And they did exceptionally well to make sure they get the second goal. And from there, I think Kruger was chasing the game up until the last whistle. But again, like we have said, I don't think Coach Abraham can be hard on himself, or the entire team can be hard on themselves. The fact that they've played 2 games, it gives them a mirror, and also to see if they have enough depth on the squad, and also to see if do they need to go and buy extra players or not. Overall, great day. Big up to the Honorable Premier of the province. Big up to the MEC of Culture, Sport and Recreation. And big up to the fans.
What a great day indeed, Mshiga. People of surrounding Kanyamazane, they were blessed with football. Take nothing away from the crowd. Take nothing away from the attendance.
A tournament well organized. And the good part about it, it will serve as a precursor of what to expect in the coming season. I think now the spirit of football in Kanyamazane or Mpumalanga at large has been revived by this tournament. And again, kudos should go to our Premier and the Department of Sports.
A shout out also to Department of Education. Sibonile ukuthi le Premier's Cup lena umhlonishwa ubaba uNdlovu nakhona bekayifake etikolweni asambeni macha sesivala Kanyamazane Stadium. Your last words.
I think great day, like I've said, we've enjoyed ourselves. I think all of us are looking forward to the derby in the Betway Premiership. Believe you me, when Galaxy is playing Kruger, it's gonna be a hell of a game. We're looking forward to that. I hope the people of Kanyamazane and Mbombela at large, they are waiting to see how Kruger is going to fare throughout the season. We're going to rally behind them and rally behind the TS Galaxy as well. All the best for the new season.
Sesine derby nathi eMpumalanga Mshika. Yebo lamanye ama province behlale kuba ne derby yase KZN. Nyalo eMpumalanga sesine derby ku Betway Premiership.
That's a good thing. But we also need to give credit to these 2 teams. In our history, this will be the first time to have 2 development teams at DDC. Yeah. So at least now, we will have boys that will be unearthed because of these 2 teams. So football development in the province will again rise, and at least we'll start seeing our own boys rising to the occasion. And that's a good and a positive of this thing.
Asambeni machayimbuthi siyabonga ku Sport Talk with GTZ. Sicela sisho njalo noma sihlala sisho njalo sithi sicoverishela temidlalo ngumshika ngomane valelisa sambe bhuti.
Hayi sibonge kakhulu emakhaya, sibonge ku Premier, sibonge konke umuntu lothatha lichaza. Sithi till next time si GTZ Sport. Siyabonga.
Thank you so much. Your last words Khathize.
Ngumshika nakuwe GTZ and to the entire crew. Thank you so much for the great work that you have done today. Thank you to the fans, thank you to the Premier of the Mpumalanga province, Mr. Mandla. And the people in Makai, they must keep on subscribing. Sport Talk with GTZ 2026-2027 season. We are here, we'll be pushing it throughout the season. A lot is coming up on this podcast. Thank you. Shout out.
Shout out to the office of the Premier, Leleholo Angbabe, Honorable Ndlovu. Shout out to the MEC of Sports, Recreation, Arts and Culture, Umama Uliya Mabuza. Shout out to the Department of Education and everyone, the entire crew, the people who came in numbers, Kanyamazane, to make this event powerful as it is today. We really appreciate the chance that you are giving us. Siyabonga, Astezi, a very good night. Good night, good night, good night. Iphelile, Mpumalanga, Premier's Cup yango 2026 ithathwa iTS Galaxy. Ukhumbule ukuthi iTS Galaxy vele italana kule tournament bekungima defending champion bahlula iqembu lase Germany 2 years ago yayingekho last season. Kodwa ke Premier waseMpumalanga Ndunankulu noma ngasho ukuthi ubaba Mandla Ndlovu wende ukuthi ibe khona this year TS Galaxy again. iyaphumelela naye Premier asikubongise umsebenzi lomuhle nakangaka lo wendile utive njani Premier ngekubona abantu baphume ngetinkhane bagcwele kaNyamazane Stadium tukwendwe lenhle lengaka lo yendile
hayi ngijabulile nami kubona abantu bala eMpumalanga baphumile in large numbers bafika la bajabulile. Our boys entertained us. Yeah, there was no even a single moment where the crowd, when our supporters were just quiet. They were very happy, excited when our boys were dishing their talent. So we want to thank the two teams for also giving opportunity to our boys to show their skills. I understand that in TX Galaxy, on the first team that played, we had close to 6 boys from the province.
Yes.
So our boys from the province will be representing us at an elite level. So we want to thank them. We're unleashing them to go and represent Mpumalanga. We know that they will not fail Mpumalanga. They are going to be good ambassadors. They will represent us very well at that level.
ubonakele Premier ngelithandvo lonalo kutemidlalo especially ibholeni letinyawo ngingabala lokwendekile ever since waba iPremier kuletha iPremiers Cup waletha iMTN8 waletha iNedbank Cup uqedza kuletha iqembu leOrlando Pirates angisingi neliqiniso ukuthi yaletha nguwe yini last game eMbombela Stadium ubonakele ukuthi unguyiPremier letsandza temidlalo asikhulume Premier ingahle ibe khona yini futhi na next year le tournament lesikhuluma ngayo
yeah le tournament izoba khona bese iplana kahle last year besicabange ukuthi sizoba nayo but sithola ukuthi azange siplana kahle then saplana kahle for this year then tournament ihambe kahle next year we'll be continuing our 4 teams if they will be here if they will not be here we'll invite 1 team from outside the province but we are happy now that we have got 4 teams so if we'll have 4 teams the very 4 teams will participate also next year. So we'll continue to support not only soccer,
yes,
all sporting codes in the province.
Yes. Mangabe uphuthelwe bengicabanga ukuthi Premier before kucala ipenalty utawuniketa lithuba anikhombise isiphiwo sakhe ebholeni ngimene enhlanhla ngalesikhathi ilonjwa ngikhonile kudlala na Premier kunestyle bekaloku asishaya uyabonakala ukuthi wasigcina kucala Premier asibonge isikhathi sakho and then we thank you for everything that you have done for the province. May God bless you.
No, thank you for also giving me an opportunity to talk to your listeners and viewers. Thanks.
Thank you so much. Neta isekho ibola Premier but abakhomba le style.
Hey, that one ihambe ngipasha so.
Anyamazane Stadium iphelile iPremiers Cup yango 2026. Asibonge, goodbye and God bless you. All right, Sport Talk with GTZ. Ushilo Premier makayilontsha evikini ledlulile kuthi Botha from USA uyoba khona Macheke from USA Machaka uyoba khona ushilo Premier we province naba niyatibonela ku Sport Talk ngicela ngawe Mr Machaka how do you feel to embrace this such tournament to come to Mpumalanga and embrace this tournament?
Thanks very much for the opportunity and also to the Premier of Mpumalanga. I'd like to say thanks very much for the invite. It means a lot to us just to come and grace the occasion also to come and support, because we can also support, our national teams and not supporting the grassroots level. It's great to see even netball as well, it was here as well, and also the youngsters could even see that they came to watch a beautiful game of football. Here in Kanyamazane, Mpumalanga, I haven't been here for ages, my brother. It's good to be here and it's wonderful from US as well as the Premier has already started. So we are here at the Premier's Cup here in Kanyamazane. I'd like to say thanks very much. Anyway, this is a great occasion indeed.
I love your spirit, my brother. May God bless you and continue to show love in South African football. We really appreciate. They may not tell you guys the great job that you are doing behind, but I'm telling you now, you are doing a superb job. May God bless you.
Thanks very much. And last thing, to have fun. Let me just say this. So let me just say this, my brother. Whatever happens here in Mpumalanga, you know the story, Mos.
Yes.
Stays here in Mpumalanga. Thanks very much.
Whatever happens in Lagos, stay in Lagos. Whatever happens there. Mr. Botha, my brother, all the way from Bloemfontein, you travel, you said you're not going to miss this one. You are coming. The Premier did mention that you are coming. Finally, you are here. Buffett, finally, you are here, my brother.
Sports Talk.
Yes.
We are talking sports.
Yes.
In the talking of the sports.
Yes.
From Mexico to Atlanta Atlanta, Houston to LA. Here I am at Kwamazana. Bona, Nelspruit to Klaposkona, Mbombela. We are here. We are here to grace the tournament. And we want to say thanks to the Premier of Mpumalanga. From the netball, you can imagine, from netball, I had so many monies taking out here. I had 20,000, 50,000, and a kumbi, and so many kumbis. The Premier has done a lot. We are proud of the Premier who plow back to the community. The Premier who understand that football or sports need to be taken serious. Sunday in Mpumalanga, everybody was here at Kwamazana Stadium. Everybody came in numbers to support. It means our kids were taken from the street to come to the stadium. Oh, Mama Bay to Balana, who sell food, they came to sell food. The security company hired so many people. One day, unemployment was being covered here in Mbombela. We are proud of the Premier, and we are saying to Premier, keep the good work, keep the good work, keep the people away from drugs, keep the people away from alcohol, give the people chance to do sports. And we are so happy to be part of the tournament of the Premier here in
Mbombela. I'm not sure if I can say super fast, but brother, welcome. Introduce yourself and how do you feel about this fantastic tournament that has played here at Nyamazana Stadium?
No, I feel superb.
Yes.
Then to that extent that I'm from Mpumalanga, so then I'm so proud about my Premier.
Yes.
So then,
let's face the camera.
by so saying, then I'm trying to emphasize that then we have to go all out to support our Premier to that extent. So, but the only thing then I can mention above is then happiness.
Thank you.
Because then we took our kids away from the streets, as Mr. Bota mentioned.
Thank you, my
So then I'm highly appreciated. Then so let's keep the spirit going.
Thank you very much.
Let's keep the spirit going in the name of Sport Talk with GTZ Makrotmane, all the way from USA, Atlanta to Kanyamazana Stadium. La Ekas Kanyamazana Stadium. Sport Talk, we love you and we are saying good night.
Sport Talk, please support Sport Talk. Please, thank you.
Danko.
Danko.